miles an hour.
It's just amazing how that little tin shed there. They didn't knock that over. I'd be skipping over.
UP on Smash 25, UP 3878 south, over. They will highball Ray, and we'll meet the next one at Whitesboro there. Just leaving Mingo, over.
See, look at all the office supplies still just sitting there.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy, man.
Correction on duty for 105, 1305, over.
Like I said, they've done a bunch of cleaning already.
Okay.
Speedy on.
Mm-hmm.
Friday you couldn't get down this road. They had to shut off. Of course, there was so much shit across the road you couldn't get across anyway.
Yeah. Knob on swing still.
UP on Smash 25, over. Start to go over. Majority on all is coming at you, over. Yeah, no, they've already passed, so they're already gone. Just wait a second.
The doggone cabins be holding up.
There ain't nothing for the wind to get a hold of.
Here's Smash 25, Mr. Copeland, over.
Did you see that big old metal building over there?
Copeland, over.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mike, are you doing that 4402 there, over?
That trailer house that was sitting right here was awesome because, like I said, it was just sitting there, but it had holes. About this far apart all over had holes this big where stuff was blowing plumb through it. He said he was there an hour after it happened. Said he was on his way over, and they said we don't have any communication with Cook Siding.